Let's go. YouTube is live. All right. So first of all, guys, type me 111 in the chat. If you can see me and if you can hear me, type me 111 in the chat. If you can see me and if you can hear me. Today, we're going to discuss about a really important topic. And for my people in Cyprus, guys and girls, stay until the end. It's going to be around 15 minutes, but I have a huge sneak peek of an announcement that we're about to launch. So type me 111 if you are watching this live, or 222 if you're watching the replay. And let me know from where you're plugging in. Hello, Christodoulos. Hello, Violaris, Andreas, Apostole. Let's go, Andrea. All right. Type me from where you are plugging in. I want to see which countries, cities we have with us. For my Greek people that they've been wondering, why do I speak in Greek? Why don't I speak in Greek? Actually, guys, we've expanded massively in the last few weeks in Las Vegas, Japan, Africa, Nigeria, so South Africa and Nigeria. So I want to start doing everything in English. So all of the people, even though they are maybe in South Africa, our students in Nigeria, Japan or whatever, they can understand. Of course, I'm not the best in English, but you can handle me. Now, first of all, I want to discuss 3 things tonight with you guys, okay? Number 1 is 4 signs that I personally see in the market right now, and I believe that we are closer in a recession than we think, okay? Recession in Greek, guys, for you to understand, is economic crisis. Okay, let's put it this way. And then I'm going to also give you 3 reasons why I believe cryptocurrencies are about to explode in the next 24 months. Okay. And this life is not for the people that want to get rich quick. If you want to get rich quick, you can live the life. Thank you for getting on. But if you want to see the future, if you are willing to invest the next 2 years, on 2024, you will be happy that you've listened to this. Now, number 1, all of the media are focusing on cryptocurrencies dropping, and yes, they're dropping. We are in a bear market. All of the gurus that last year they were talking, showing their NFTs, right now nobody hears about them because nobody knows how to handle bear market. And I'm gonna tell you this true fact: I made more money so far in the bear market on crypto than I did on a bullish market. And when I'm saying more money, I'm not saying seeing my portfolio growing, but then boom, dropping, because I didn't know how to get partial profits, okay? So, and it's crazy, you know, when you immerse yourself into the education, into the mentorship of the right people, it's crazy. People always tell me, oh, Kyriakos, crypto go down right now. Guys, I have 3 cameras in front of me, but I cannot show you. If you know, go to the Bitcoin chart, okay? And let me go on TradingView and see from today, 11 a.m., okay, Cyprus time, until around 2 p.m. before New York session. See that drop. Imagine the profit you could make if you knew how to leverage trade, okay? Now, people cry right now, oh, Kyriakos, you cannot make money from crypto. And within those hours, we had 4% drop on Bitcoin, and I made 1% profit on my trading account, okay? Now, this is what I mean leverage. This is when I mean leveraging the bear market. Now, number 1 reason that I believe we are way closer than we think on the recession, okay? First of all, the most obvious thing, what is a recession, guys? Recession is when we have 2 consecutive quarters with GDP lower, okay, negative. And the first one, it was negative. The second quarter right now is about to be announced in the next few weeks. And we see United States postponing it over and over, okay? And I'm curious why. And also, rumors are saying that it's gonna be negative again. So having 2 consecutive quarters of GDP negative means we are in a recession. Now, when it's officially announced that we have recession, I'm gonna tell you this, you're 8 months late to the party. Don't wait to understand. All right. Don't wait to understand that we are in recession once media says it. You're too late. Okay, so number one, what I'm seeing right now, I mean, we cannot avoid having a second quarter of negative GDP, and this is what's about to happen. Now, the second thing that I'm seeing myself right now, why we are closing on a recession, guys, is the automobile is blowing up, okay, and the real estate start going down. Oh my God, all my phones right now having notifications every time I'm going live. Anyway, so the second sign I was talking is that we see right now the automobile and all of the stuff, the prices, how do you call it in English? The liabilities increasing in price and real estate started dropping. Now, real estate will drop hard in the end of a recession. And this is what we call that, okay, it's a crash of the real estates, but we just started seeing signs. And number three, guys, all of the media talk about crypto, but have you seen the indices, the stocks, where they are? They all drop. Have you seen the oil, gas? It's going up. If you have a car, have you realized you pay more putting gas in your car now compared to 3, 5 months ago, 6 months ago? I've been talking about having a recession since December 2021. People were getting me crazy. Right now, we are seeing the signs that we are already in a recession. It's not official yet, but once it is, you're too late. And now, I'm not saying this to scare you, number one, but I'm saying this to wake up some of you. Yes, I know some of you will listen to this, skip the video. After 8 months, when the recession is official, you will be crying, complaining about your salary, that you lost your job, everything is more expensive, you cannot get the month on. But that one person that may listen to this and may be like, oh, okay, oh my God, I have to do something, because you can do something. And you're wondering, okay, Giragos, you want to pitch us your academy? Yes, I want to promote my academy, of course. The academy is the solution, guys. Let's be real. I know about all this craziness with the recession, not because that I'm smart, or at least genius. I am smart, but not the genius. But because I have genius people that I study with on crypto. And we come to the second topic I wanted to discuss tonight, guys. Why I'm bullish on crypto in the next 24 months, okay? Now, if you're the person that is like, oh, I'm holding to the moon, you have no idea what you're doing with crypto, okay? Your guru probably didn't teach you the crypto 101, take partials. I've seen, I don't know where I've read that or in a session I listened to that. I'm not sure about the percentage, you can Google it, but 60% of all the millionaires from crypto right now are not millionaires. I'm gonna repeat that. 60 or maybe 80, do not quote me on the percentage, Google it, but 60 to 80% of all Bitcoin millionaires from 2020 and 2021, right now, they are not millionaires. Why? They didn't know how to withdraw. They didn't know how to take partial profits. They didn't know how to convert in stable coins and get re-entries. You may be like, what are you talking about? You don't need to know right now. Get educated. But my point is, Holding until is the biggest mistake you can do. Let me know if you've experienced being in huge profits from 2021 and you've lost everything right now. And right now you're in a loss. I'm sure you've went through that. I did with 2 projects, because on all my projects, I'm aiming at this price. On this price, I convert to USDC, and then I don't care where it's going. 2 projects, I didn't put exit points. And I'm still like, why didn't I do it? You know, but we learn, you know? So 4 signs also why I believe crypto right now is important to prepare and build, not invest. Not invest. Don't be like a chicken without a head. Do not invest now in crypto. Now is the time for you to study. Number 1, do you know, how do you call them? The 3 arches capital, something like that, it's a hedge fund. Now, this hedge fund has officially filed for bankruptcy. What does that mean? They close, because most of their investments were in Luna. You know what happened with Luna? So Luna crashes, most of their investments crashes, and right now they officially filed for bankruptcy. Now, there are rumors that Sachs and Goldman, actually they're about to buy them. I don't know if that's true or not. We will see. But if they do, you know, guys, seeing companies like Goldman Sachs getting into crypto is crazy, because we are talking about trillions getting in. And Goldman Sachs, they are not going to buy Bitcoin at 60,000. They're going to buy it at 10,000, because they have the ability to manipulate. Does that make sense? Type me 777 in the chat if that makes sense. Type me 777 in the chat if that makes sense. Facebook, I see you. Let's go. TikTok, I see you. YouTube, I see you. Instagram, I see you. Let's go. Type me 777 in the chat if that makes sense. Now, oh my God, Bitcoin is going up. This is another one thing I love about crypto, okay? I was selling this morning and I'm about to buy. I was selling this morning and I am about to buy. Now, let me see if it's broken. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so number 1, seeing the 3, how do you call it? Let me tell you their name. Seeing the 3 Arrows Capital filing for bankruptcy, guys, and having the rumors for Goldman Sachs about to buy them, this shows me that trillions of people are about to get, trillions of dollars are about to get into the market of crypto. But they're not about to get now. Now, people will listen to this and they will start buying Bitcoin. No, I'm buying Bitcoin on leverage, okay? Trading, not investing. Bitcoin is not ready to invest. But this is a sign that it's about time in the next 12, 18, 24 months that the market will start moving up now. Now, the second reason is about Voyager, which is a centralized exchange, which they hold their withdrawals. And what does that shows me is that when does an exchange, a centralized exchange, holds withdrawals? When the deposits are less than withdrawals, which means that there are more money leaving their exchange than they are getting in. And this is the second reason that I'm always saying, you don't know what you don't know about cryptocurrencies. I see all these people, they have thousands, tens of thousands in Binance, in Coinbase, in Kraken. And I'm like, why do you do this to yourself? It's not hard or impossible for, let's say, one of those exchanges do the same like Voyager, to hold withdrawals. And also, if you see the terms and conditions on all the centralized exchanges, they all say that if we go bankrupt, we will use your money to save our company. You agreed to that. You agreed when you put money on Coinbase, in Binance, in any centralized exchange. That's why I always say for the last 2 years, okay, for the last 2 years, that when you don't know how to protect your money, you will lose money, like the people in Voyager. Now, again, I'm not saying this to scare you. Oh my God, I'm not going to put money in crypto again. Not at all. Neither you put or not, trillions are about to get into the market. I am positioning myself into the market. I'm good. By 2024, I've done my life, period. What I'm telling you is learn, educate yourself how to be secure, how to protect yourself. And number 3, I was watching on Dune, which is a platform where you can see the liquidity about NFTs. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, it's ridiculous how low the liquidity of NFTs is at this period of time. What does that mean? People do not care about NFTs at this time. Now, if you do what people do, you will have the results that people have. Does that make sense? But if you position yourself on the projects that they have right utility, not bullshits, right NFT projects, right now you get them on discount and hold them for the next 2 years. Oh my God. Oh my God. And for the people in our academy, type me, I want to see who is a student in our academy, 333 in the chat. We just launched the official Alpha NFT group chat, where all of the educators of our academy are about to start dropping NFT projects on a monthly basis. Guys, imagine when Ethereum dropped. I'm talking to our students right now for a few seconds. Imagine when Ethereum drops, if it drops to $500, and you go buy an NFT, which is still 2 Ethereum. But back in the day, it was $6,000. But now you get it at 1,000. The students of our academy, I don't know if you grasped what I just told you. You have a gold mine. If you're a student in our academy, the Swipe Coin app, you have a gold mine in your hands. Number 1, you can buy NFT projects that our educators tell you on their own, and it comes on your phone. And with what happens in the market, you get them in a ridiculous discount. Number 2, you can trade. Guys, we've bought Bitcoin at 19,453 from the trade idea that Danny gave us at 3:49 p.m. Hear me out. Right now, we are 470 pips in profit. Imagine getting 700 pips in the morning on the sell side of Bitcoin and now buying it up. And it all came to your phone. Leverage, the leverage ideas. Number 3, for our students, I'm investing a little bit more seconds to our students because guys and girls, you can make money. Today, I've shifted my Solana back to USDC from the idea that came 3 weeks ago almost, okay? with 50% profit. You get ideas on exchange from Mike Soter and Curtis Cobain directly to your phone to make those quick flips, 40% profits, 50%. Don't expect to make 200%, 300% in a bear market. But we made 60% on Solana. We made 40% on Maker. We made almost 100% on ApeCoin. And we made also 40% on Gala. This is more than 200% in 4 different projects. But you have to know how to and when to shift into profits. Does that make sense? That's why I'm so bullish on crypto right now. And the last but not least, guys and girls, type me 999 in the chat if you're in Cyprus, or if you are gonna be in Cyprus on 26th of July. Let's go. Let's go. It's 9:45 p.m. Cyprus time. I came from Las Vegas. I am with jet lag. I want to see energy. Type me 999 in the comments below if you are in Cyprus right now, or you can be Cyprus on 26th of July. 26th of July. I'm going to say this in Greek because it's important. 26 Ιουλίου, ημέραν Τρίτη, γράψε μου 999 στο chat, στα σχόλια κάτω, όπου και αν βρίσκεσαι, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, εάν θα είσαι στην Κύπρο. Why? Let's go. Andreas, Paris, Apostolos, Charalambos, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, let's go, Yorgos. Nice. So, the reason that I'm saying we are doing something that nobody ever did, neither in Cyprus or Greece, at least for all the period that I'm alive. No one has done what we are about to do on 26th of July. And this is huge because it's something that I've never done in the last 5 years in our business. I'm 5 years into business, living out of it. We've never done something like that. On 26th of July, in Limassol, in evening, I'm not gonna say where until we announce it officially, but you will be able to learn from a billionaire trader. You will be able to learn face-to-face from a person that has more than 40. Most of you are not even on that age. That person has that much amount of experience. 40 years of experience in trading and investing. You will be able to learn face-to-face from him for peanuts. So what I want you to do right now is go to your boss or go to your job or whatever and tell me, look, first of all, if you don't work in the evening of Tuesday, 26th of July, you're Gucci. Don't put anything on your schedule. But if you have work, go tomorrow to your boss or even call him, call her, and tell him, look, it's important on... All right. So look, it's important on Tuesday, 26th of July, in the evening, I have to be free. I have something huge to do. Do this to be available, because once we announce it, it will get crazy. I'm not exaggerating. Nobody in Cyprus and Greece has ever brought a billionaire with B to teach you. Guys and girls, I'm not hyping this up. Me personally, I've never met face-to-face a billionaire, and he's gonna be in your backyard on Tuesday, 26th of July in the afternoon, after 6 p.m. So make sure you're available from now, because I know most people probably will never have the opportunity to meet a billionaire in their life. In their life, you will be able to meet him on Tuesday, 26th of July. Now, if you're not from Cyprus, fly to Cyprus. As simple as that. That person is flying from Las Vegas, United States, 30 hours flight. If he's doing it, there are no excuses. You are in United Kingdom, 5 hours flight, you can come in Cyprus. You are in Greece, please don't even ask it. You're 2 hours away maximum with a flight. Fly in Cyprus, because you will probably never have the opportunity to meet a billionaire in your life. But now with this, because we are the first doing it, you will have the opportunity to meet him, and not just meet him, learn from him. And last but not least, do I have some of our students yet online, live right now? Type me 555 in the chat if you're still with us and you are part of our academy. Type me 555 in the chat. Only for our students, tomorrow at 9 p.m. in the night, we're gonna share with you how you will be able to have a VIP dinner with him. We are gonna share with you how you can qualify and have a VIP dinner with him. Bro, I'm not making this stuff up. I'm not making this stuff up. Imagine being able to eat dinner with a billionaire. Now, you have to earn it. This is not for the faint at heart. You know, we are gonna help the people that want to help themselves. Tomorrow, 9 p.m. Cyprus and Greece time, we are gonna have the call. Probably you already know, the Zoom link will be in our announcements Telegram group, and we're gonna share with you how you will be able to have a dinner with him private. It's gonna be only for 10 people, 10, no more. You want to make sure that you get the qualification fast, because I know the 10 people, the 10 positions, the 10 spots will get full. All right. So type me in the chat 26 July. So I know that it makes sense. Type me in the chat 26 July. That I know that it makes sense. I'm gonna say this in Greek and then we close, guys and girls. Λοιπόν, παιδιά, θέλω να το πω και στα ελληνικά, είναι πολλά σημαντικό. Όπως αναφέραμε τα τελευταία 20 λεπτά, αναφέραμε 3 πράγματα. Νούμερο 1, 4 λόγους για τους οποίους πιστεύω ότι είμαστε πολύ πιο κοντά στην οικονομική κρίση από ό,τι νομίζουμε. Το δεύτερο το οποίο συζητήσαμε σήμερα είναι 3 λόγους για τους οποίους πιστεύω πάρα πολύ σε bullish στα κρυπτονομίσματα στους επόμενους 24 μήνες. Και νούμερο 3, έδωσα έναν sneak peek για το τι θα γίνει στις 26 Ιουλίου. Θα έχεις τη δυνατότητα να εκπαιδευτείς από δισεκατομμυριούχων με δέλτα, από δισεκατομμυριούχων με φυσική παρουσία για το πώς χτίσαν τα αποτελέσματα τους στις επενδύσεις. Και μόνο για μαθητές μας θα έχεις τη δυνατότητα επίσης, εάν πάρεις τα κριτήρια, θα υπάρχουν κριτήρια, να φας dinner, δείπνο, μαζί τους στις 26 Ιουλίου. Τώρα, ποια είναι τα κριτήρια, θα τα αναφέρουμε αύριο στην ιδιωτική μας κλήση μέσω Zoom η ώρα 9 το βράδυ, γι' αυτό μην τη χάσεις. Παιδιά, καλόν υπόλοιπο, ο Θεός μαζί σας, τα λέμε στην κορυφή. Σε όσοι είσαστε στην Ακαδημία μας, τα λέμε αύριο η ώρα 9 στο webinar. Καλή συνέχεια. YouTube μου, τα λέμε στο